Good morning.
Good morning. What is this?
There are some goodies and there's a
thank
little
you.
bottle. What was it yesterday?
I didn't like any of your recommendations, by the way. It's new house.
You didn't
I tried
like it?
6 different chocolates and it was like...
You ate chocolate?
That, like the praline. Yeah, I brought and it's... So now we're gonna do React Advanced. I'm Kitze. You can find me on social at @Kitze.
Are we filled, by the way?
No. See you next time. Thank you.
Bye. Thank
You
you.
would
The workshop
use-
was great. Really nice.
Thank you for blowing my mind. You're probably the only person I know that talks in fast forward.
Okay, follow.
Thank you.
It's okay. I hope this will redeem your bad chocolate experience.
Thank you.
It's a small detail, but
Thank you
for joining us.
Thanks a lot. It was one of the best things that I have attended.
See you around. Bye bye. Fuck. Crap.
Yeah.
Oh man. Do you want a selfie or?
Right.
Try not to catch. Wait, I'll just. No problem. See you around. Bye bye. Hey Siri, cancel everything. Turn off everything.
A few moments later.
Oh wait, they gave me chocolates. Let's first read this. Dear Kitze, thank you for being part of the first edition and for bringing your knowledge to the community in Belgium. Your support for this new event meant a lot for... Oh, it's coffee. I fucking hate coffee. For us. Hope you enjoyed your time in Brussels and hope to see you again. Marta on behalf of the packages team. I think my sense for sweets is gone. I don't like... I don't know what's wrong. What is wrong? The weather sucks. I have 1 hour before dinner, so I'm gonna go for a little nap.
A few moments later. A few moments later.
Ninja moves for the sweets.
A few inches later.
Who cares about sleeping? I'm gonna go and explore this beautiful city. Let's do it. Or maybe not.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hello. The place change every week. They change the menu. That's the concept. So you never know. If you come back in next week, you don't know what you can eat here. Cheers! Thank you very much for coming, guys.
So this is the real fry place.
Yeah.
What is it called? Saint?
I don't think it has a name.
Okay.
You can already smell.
Yeah.
That's true. That's how you can see if what they are cooking is like
Yeah.
real Belgian
Yeah.
fries.
Yeah. So when you're on a diet, you can come by this place and like, all right.
Good because it's put in oil with 2 different type of temperatures.
Wow.
You put it in the first one where it's like cooking the potatoes, and then the second bath is to make it a bit crunchy and to make the nice color.
Okay. What do I have to choose?
There you can see. You see 3 type of temperature.
And
169. You have Riche, Pilipili, American, Brazil, Samurai, and Andalus.
Usually it's like mayonnaise, ketchup, and mustard.
you can get 100 different sauce.
Is that on the front page for Belgium? Like first sentence and then a list of sauces.
So you see that what I was talking with oxygen, like
Okay. It would be so funny after this procedure if I say, it's just fries. Now you take me to McDonald's and try this, bitch. Do you like this?
Actually, if you don't like this one, so I'm like, okay, we cannot help you anymore.
You should skip like 4 steps, like, come on. That's ours, go. Don't ask, it's ours. She forgot 2 steps. Like, I have to do everything all over again. Okay. I wanted to make a short clip for my vlog. Look, it's 12 minutes. I can post a full episode called Getting Fries in Belgium.
On sait, mais là on va partager, on le fait découvrir. No, the Poland. La Pologne.
Ah, tu vas?
Is she roasting me?
No.
It sounds like that. Wow. Her face says it like, this douchebag should shut the fuck up.
Actually, she said you should. Because we don't have that in Poland.
Oh.
So.
Dis-moi, comme ça je vais porter la Un seul, voilà. Ah, como vienen de Londres, c'est bon.
Merci. Merci à vous. Au revoir. Non, c'est ouvert. Gentil.
Thank you, bye.
After 15 minutes, we got the price.
Do you have a fry eating room?
You can stay here.
Here? Yeah. Okay. You know what would be funny? If you're like, okay, we got him in the room, do another workshop, bitch. Alright. Another fries for me, nice. I mean, it looks like fries, regular. I don't know what to expect. I'm making a little fries review here.
Fries review.
We were waiting for this shit for
15 minutes?
20 minutes. 20 minutes. Last chance, Belgium. Now I'm buzzing.
Yeah.
From now on, I'm not eating fries unless they're cooked for at least 18 minutes minimum.
And you have to try it.
This is fricadelle with 2 points for you.
What is this?
I don't know what it is.
I'm some animal, don't worry.
Chicken is called poulet croque.
Yeah.
So, and this is not poulet croque.
Yeah.
So this is samurai.
These two are different?
Yeah. This is samurai. This is Andalus. This is Dallas.
How do you know them by name? That's impressive.
You see the shape.
How is this Dallas?
Don't give a shit about our girl or not.
What do you think? Un workshop summit, tu sais quoi, avec des fontaines, parce qu'en vrai, avant
It's a mix between the two.
Do you know the names?
je sais pas si tu...
Yeah, Samurai, Andalous, Dallas.
You're crazy. How?
I
think I know.
Gaël est arrivé, il a mis un vinyle. On a pris du marqueur.
20 sauces.
En fait, là, c'est pas du
For fries.
But I know because that I use most of the time. Like
I don't know 20 people by name.
Mayonnaise with
Parce qu'en soi, quand tu...
Andalous,
Et du comprends un peu mieux, tu vois.
Dallas.
C'est seulement quand t'as les producteurs
Pickles. Biki.
qu'on n'a pas ici.
Pili Pili, cocktail, riche, Brésil, blanche,
Tomate grecque.
tomate grecque.
Do you do this on a first date with a girl? You're like, yeah. What's impressive about you? I can tell you 20 sauces. Actually, right now.
Curry,
That
tartare,
seems pretty impressive to me.
également américain, à l'ail.
As well.
Are you writing them down to
No,
memorize?
no, you go on Wikipedia, you have a list.
Picalilli, Hannibal.
2 hours later.
This office is way too big for 9:30 p.m. What are you guys doing? Circus, alright. That sounds promising, like a promising night. Jesus Christ, they have like 70,000 things.
Yes, it's only beer.
It's only beer. And then they bring you the food menu, it's like 3 items. I mean, he knew so much about fries. I'm gonna trust you on the beer. Choose a beer for me. too many descriptions. I just want a beer, man. When did beer become so complicated?
It depends your taste.
I like the blonde one from the restaurant. It's fine. The beer. If my girlfriend's watching the vlog, I'm talking about the beer, the blonde beer, okay? Alright, so
thank you very much for coming.
I had a great night. I had a great workshop. Have a great night, you guys. No, sorry. 3 guys and 1. Alright, see you. Bye bye. Alright, I'm back. Okay, that was a great night. It was a great workshop. It was a great vlog. Thank you very much for watching. I'm flying tomorrow to visit my family, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. Actually, make sure to do whatever the hell you want, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!